This is a video tutorial for the Happy Days envelope back cushion. You'll need fabric for the outer, for the front, and you'll need fabric for the envelope back. And this is how we make it. First, cut out your front piece and cut out two for the envelope back. Place one of your envelope back pieces right sides down, so you're looking at the back, and then fold over one edge 1 centimetre and press. I've pressed it, and now I'm going to turn it over 2 centimetres, and once again take it over the ironing board and press. Now add a few pins. I've added my pins, and now I'm going to take it over the sewing machine and I'm going to carefully sew along the folded edge. I've sewn all along the bottom edge, and that's your first envelope back finished. Now repeat exactly the same for the other envelope back. That's my 2 envelope backs finished, and now I'm going to join it to the front. Place your front fabric right sides up, and remember this will be the top of your cushion. Now place your first envelope back piece on top. Remember this is the top of your cushion, and place it right sides together, so you'll be looking at the seam that you sewed. Take your second envelope back and place it on top so it lines up along the edges, and once again this is the right side and that's the right side, and place it on top, and once again we're looking at the fold that we sewed. Now we've got to add clips or pins all the way around. I've added all my clips, and now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I'm going to sew all the way around, starting at the top, sew along, stop, all the way down. When we get to this part, we'll go over it a few times to give it extra strength, and once again go over it a few times there as well, and then to the bottom and stop, all along the bottom and back up, and once again a few extra stitches there to give it strength, a few extra stitches there as well, and then back right to the top. I've sewn all the way around, and I've paid special attention to here, here, here and here, where I've sewn it several times over to give it extra strength. The final bit of sewing is optional, but I'm going to zigzag all the way around the edge just to stop it fraying a bit, especially if you wash it a lot. If you have got an overlocking stitch or even an overlocker, you can use it here. I've zigzagged all the way around. Like I say, if you've got an overlocker, you can use that now. And now I'm going to turn it the right way out. I've added my inner pad, and that's your envelope back cushion all finished.